Alright, so today we're going to talk about how to compose a song in GarageBand. GarageBand is a very easy way to create compositions, to create small music pieces. When you open GarageBand, you get to this screen where you can decide which tempo you want to use, all different key signatures, either a major or minor key, time signature, and so on. I'm going to leave everything at the standard settings for now. We're going to start with an empty project. I'm going to click on that. So we're going to play sounds from your Mac because we're going to show you guys how you can play using just your computer. You don't need any other equipment to make this work. So we're going to click Create. There we go. On the left side here, on the library, you have your different instruments. So you have arpeggiators, you have synthesizers, pianos, you name it. Just gonna get rid of this for 1 second. The other thing that is really cool about GarageBand is all the loops that you can find. So loops are basically small sound snippets that can be repeated over and over again. So over here, you can decide which type of sound you're looking for. And here you have the first two columns, all the different instruments. So for example, if I want to have an electric synth, the filter will give you all the ones down here that are electric synths. If you click on one, it'll show you, or it won't show you, but you'll hear what the loop sounds like. So I'm just going to click on Ambition Arpeggio and click again to stop it. The same can be done for beats. So if you want to have a relaxed beat, again you can click on any of them to have a little preview listen. Now, say you want to use that beat, you can just drop and drag it into your track, and there you go. So now if you play it, it'll play the loop. If you want to repeat the loop that you have, you can go to the top here and you see that the cursor changes, and you click and drag, and you can create indefinite repetitions of this particular loop. So for example, now I have 4 beats of this particular loop. Now let's add some electric piano in it. I think that sounds pretty cool. We're going to drop that loop in there as well. Extend that to 4 beats as well. Now let's see what it sounds like. So far it's pretty straightforward. Gonna add some bass as well. Let's see if we can find something cool here. That sounds pretty cool. It's a bit hard to hear, but there we go. Now the other cool feature of GarageBand is that you can play instruments yourself. So we're going to go to View, or to Window, and you're going to show musical typing. You're going to go to one of the instruments, and using just your keyboard, you can play each note. Again, we're going to kind of change that around. So let's grab, subtle shiftscape. No idea what it's going to sound like, so there you go. So you notice that the keyboard here ranges from your A key to the apostrophe key, and all those keys they're labeled as to, you know, each key on here corresponds with the key on your keyboard. So it starts with the C2 octave, and it goes all the way up, and then you can increase the octave. You can see on the top here which area of an actual full-size keyboard is highlighted. So if I go to C minus, it's very dark, and higher up. So these are just some really cool features of GarageBand. And if you actually want to record some of this, you can just hit record. There you go, and I've just recorded something on top of it. Yeah, so these are just some of the ways you can experiment with GarageBand. It's very simple, it's very easy to use. Again, if you have no knowledge about anything music related, it's still a lot of fun to just throw some loops together and see what you can come up with. This is something for one of my other classes that I've put together. It's very simple. Yeah, I made this in about half an hour, 45 minutes, and it's just fooling around with the different loops and different sounds. So yeah, give GarageBand a try.